Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best in products for your everyday needs. Today, we're taking a look at what we believe is the best scooter for adults, the LEEYV adult scooter. Whether you're cruising around the neighborhood or commuting to work, this scooter offers a perfect combination of performance, comfort, and durability that makes it stand out from the crowd. Let's dive into the features that make the LEEYV adult scooter a top choice. First, this scooter is designed with big 9-inch wheels, making it ideal for a smooth ride, even on rough surfaces. The larger wheels provide stability and a feeling of gliding over the pavement, so you can enjoy a more relaxed and comfortable ride whether you're on the road or at the park. One of the standout features of this scooter is its folding design. It's incredibly easy to carry and store, making it perfect for those who need a convenient, space-saving solution. You can fold it down in just a few seconds and stow it away when you're not using it. Plus, with the adjustable height handlebar, it's versatile for a wide range of users, from teens to adults. It adjusts between 32.7 inches and 41.9 inches, so you can find the perfect height for your comfort and riding style. The LEEYV adult scooter is built with an all-aluminum frame that is both lightweight and strong. Despite its solid build, it's easy to carry around, weighing just 5.56 kilograms. This makes it convenient for daily use without compromising on durability. With a maximum weight limit of 265 pounds, this scooter is made to last, providing a safe and reliable experience for riders of all sizes. Safety is a key priority with the LEEYV scooter. It features a rear brake system that ensures you can easily control your speed and stop whenever necessary. Whether you're slowing down on a downhill slope or coming to a complete stop, you'll have the confidence that the brakes will perform as needed. This scooter has also been certified by the German GS safety standards, so you can trust that it meets rigorous safety and quality standards. It's a dependable choice for both teens and adults who are looking for a reliable and secure scooter for everyday use. To wrap things up, if you're in the market for a scooter that combines practicality, safety, and performance, the LEEYV adult scooter is definitely worth considering. Its large wheels, folding design, adjustable height, and durable frame make it one of the best scooters you can get. Whether you're commuting, exercising, or simply enjoying some outdoor fun. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews on the best products out there. Catch you in the next video.